Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Pink color, chocolate color, green color, red color, orange color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: heart, square, triangle, star, circle and pentagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, next square, next triangle, next star, next circle, next pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Next, orange color, square. Next, blue color, triangle. Next, pink color, star. Next, chocolate color, circle. Next, green color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn red color, heart, orange color, square, blue color, triangle, pink color, star, chocolate color, circle, green color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.